We're the youngest generations, we're the bigger generations in the marketplace today. But Gen Z and millennials, we want to travel the world.
If you're a business owner, you can utilize life insurance and
as a tax write-off.
As a tax write-off.
Right. What's good with y'all, bro? We are on our way to an investor meeting today. I'm not sure where the location is at, but yeah, and I'm here to take y'all on a ride to show y'all the ins and outs of this U.S. corporate America. That's what it really is. And yeah, I'm blessed to be here today, and I hope y'all enjoy this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, we're gonna have a lot more trips of these. This is only vlog number 2, I believe so. I got my good friend Eric with me right here. Let me show y'all. My brother.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
What's going on? How y'all feeling? I hope y'all doing well. Ain't gonna say too much. We're gonna get straight into it, man.
Yes, sir. So we just made it to the building. We out. Where's the location? I'm not sure. Bettisville. Where's the location? You can say it.
It's, I think Calverton, Maryland.
Galveston, Maryland. But it's a nice corporate building right here, and yeah, it's very aesthetically pleasing. But look how I'm dressed, bro. Look how I'm dressed. This is very business casual. I understand the jeans is the things that I gotta improve on. I gotta invest in me some like nice clean black pants without the rips, without anything like that. But other than that, it's not what I look like right here, but it's how I think, the way I think. That's something I want y'all to really take away from this video, on how the words that we use. I'm not gonna show too much of what's going on in there. Maybe I'm just gonna have the volume on so y'all can listen, understand what's going on. But I'm not gonna be outlandishly just recording everyone. That's I don't want that to happen. But I do have some questions for my brother right here, and I hope that he can answer some y'all, anything that y'all have in mind. Let me see. Let me get my phone out. My fuck. What do you want to learn from this meeting today? That's what I say.
Okay. And I want to state this as well. I'm not a person to claim to know it all or nothing like that. I always strive to learn and hear from others and see what others have to provide, while I also provide value with the things that I do know now. From here in this building alone, I expect to grab something out of this, some kind of message. I look at that as commission. One thing about getting out of the rat race is learning the aesthetics of commission. Now, commission can come in many different forms. Commission can come in knowledge, it can come in real estate, it can come in money, it can come in many different forms. And it's all something that you can put together. You can gather a whole lot of commission. That commission is bound to pay off in the long run. So what I expect to get from here, I expect to get some kind of commission.
All right. So what do you think one of our goals is going into this? So it's some, not that you want to learn, but it's a stepping stone for not only yourself and your business, but yeah, on how far you want to, what are you trying to achieve?
So from this, what I'm trying to achieve from this event, in the process of getting investors and investment money, large lump sums of money, you got to learn how to manage that money. Because you don't want to get that money, blow it, and then come back to them and say, I don't have nothing to, get back to you. You want to come back and make sure that you provided them with value as well. So in that process of providing them with value, you got to understand how to manage what they give you. Now, if you can manage what they give you, learn to flip it and make more from it, which is profit, then you'll be in a nice place. So from here, I'm trying to learn how to take that investment money and utilize it the right ways.
Okay. So this is the question. This is a question for the viewers actually.
Okay. Put this in the comments, yeah, guys. Put this in the
Put this in the comments. How do you think y'all can apply yourself in a situation like this? Cause look, the way we even got here, it's not that hard. We ain't do too much. We ain't have to break open a whole bank to get here. It's not no secret. It is really right in front of y'all. And I want to tell y'all that it was really simple. All we had to do was do a little research, go on investor sites, and I promise y'all, these investors are looking for a new money hit, a new money glitch. Y'all always trying to do this on a game, do it in real life. I'm telling y'all, it's really that simple. So we're here today, and yeah, put in a comment what y'all learned today. Damn, I ain't even trying to get this. There's an exit down there. So 130 is either on that side where there's a lot of people at. So what you thinking so far? This room itself is filled with a lot of high-earning people. So investors, content, so yeah, let's get this.
Just to offer me an opportunity. And I'm super grateful for his mentorship because him and his wife have poured into me. And y'all, the person I am today is not the person. You can go check my Instagram. Just keep on scrolling, right? I was a different person a couple years ago. But with this gentleman's guidance and leadership, you guys, I mean, you can ask numerous people in this office, from people getting baptized, from people's marriages being saved, from people's families growing, their income growing. It's all because of this gentleman's sacrifice and dedication, not just to himself, but the dedication to the DMV and to the nation. He has offices and people that he's poured into across the entire country. You guys, I need y'all to get some, right? Make some noise and get rowdy for your closing speaker today, Mr. Chris Hall.
Make you know say anything when you do, them must commend it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when you do, I they try to do on my way. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty so far we face just to make sure money day.
So, came back to Atlanta, was working as a business analyst, and I just wasn't fulfilled. I wasn't helping anybody. And so I got introduced to PHP agency by a family friend. He was like, hey Jared, you graduated, congrats. You should come learn how money works now that you're an adult. And at the time, I was like, man, I got a business degree. I know a little bit about money and finances, but he still asked me to come out, and I'm super glad that I did, because in the 90 minutes I sat with him, I learned more about money and finances than all my 4 years of business school. And I realized a couple things in that conversation. And so everyone here that's running your business, you're solving a lot of big problems. For us, we're solving 3 main problems that we see. The first one is distribution, right? In an industry where everybody is older, Caucasian, males. For me, as a mid-20s African-American male, I have access to different markets that he would probably have a hard time connecting with. And so I'm able to educate folks about how money works, how finances work, how building wealth works.
With the business.
The second problem we're solving is financial literacy.
It is PHP
right?
agency, and
Now,
they're really
who taught you money and finances growing up?
just helps you understand what
Growing
money
up,
is.
not really.
how you
Not
use it.
really.
I had to step out to go
You had to
learn.
learn it yourself.
Yes, sir.
That makes sense. What about you, Tyrell?
What was the question?
Who taught you money and finances growing up?
Mostly through like the education system.
Education like middle school, high school, college, things like that. That's legit. I love it. Janai, what about you?
Janae.
Janae.
My mom, and I took a financial management class in high school.
Really? What high school is this?
Why?
I said that like I know that. But that's pretty cool. We did not have that in Georgia. We did not have that. That's pretty cool, right? Now, here's a challenge. Most of us were not taught money and finances growing up, right? We mess around in our 20s and our 30s, trying to turn around in our 40s and our 50s, just to retire in our 60s. Now, it's not great, but it's kind of all that we know as Americans. And so we teach simple financial concepts. What's a 401k? What's an IRA? What's tax code 7702? What's infinite banking? Simple financial concepts we teach here for free. And then most importantly, we talked about it earlier, is entrepreneurship, right? In today's America, you've got to build a business. Now here's the challenge though. Most businesses, if you're looking to build a business, grow a business, you want to hire millennials and Gen Z, correct? right? We're the youngest generations, we're the bigger generations in the marketplace today. But Gen Z and millennials, we want to travel the world. We want to make the money we deserve. We want to leave an impact. We want to help others. Is that true for my Gen Z and millennials? Absolutely. The challenge is it's very, very hard to do that by working for someone else. It really only takes entrepreneurship. That's it, right? But who's teaching people how to be entrepreneurs today? Most people aren't. And so we're teaching our agents on a part-time basis how to build businesses, how to scale businesses, how to grow their wealth, how to grow their network, right? Maybe in the future they go full-time, but if nothing else, they're solving a really big problem, and they're teaching others about how money and finances work, right? And so one of the simplest ways we actually do that is a concept that we call the 3 ways money grows. Because no matter if you're Warren Buffett or you're working with minimum wage, your money only grows 3 ways. It grows fixed, it grows variable, and it grows index. I think I've heard of these concepts or phrases before. Couple of them? Okay, cool, that makes sense. I love it, I love it. Alondra?
Balance is there, right? Now, that's the same thing with the stock market, of course. You know, we can't buy stocks today and write them off on our taxes. We write off a portion of our losses up to 3,000, but who wants to lose money, right? Nobody, right?
If you're a business owner, you can utilize life insurance and
as a tax write-off.
As a tax write-off.
Right.
And then pay yourself from the life insurance.
You can, right? You can
So
pay
to
yourself
that
a portion.
point, you can write off real estate.
You
If
can.
you're a business owner,
You can. As a business owner, you can. But what do most Americans have? Most Americans don't have businesses, right? That's right. So you can write off real estate as a business, right? But it's only covering a portion of your real estate, right? So the square footage inside your home where you're actually doing your business, that's the only portion you can write off. You can't write off the full.
And you can rent your house to yourself.
Yes, ma'am. You can.
For 14
You
days.
can. Follow me on Instagram, American Dream CEO. All right, American Dream CEO on Instagram. Hey, I look forward to actually working with you guys, and look forward to advancing our community forward. Right, this is how we do our part, right? Because if you solve for money, right? If you look at every issue in the black community, it all resorts back to money, right? If we can solve for that, what could our community really be, right? Because it's really not a money issue. Because blacks spend trillions of dollars per year, right? We spend trillions of dollars, right? The money's there, but the knowledge is not, right? And that's why we're changing the game for our community, all right? All right, so hey, y'all be blessed, man. I look forward to it.
What's the name of that book you said?
Something right there, and then we'll be bothered with it for another year.
Of course. Yeah. So another thing is, as I previously stated, that I've tried insurance before. I've tried that multiple times, and I didn't find success in those other companies.
Okay.
Why, if I join y'all, why would I succeed? Like, what is?
So what's basically what's our selling factor?
Yes.
Okay. Well, let me ask you this: what other companies were you with?
So it was Pinnacle.
Pinnacle.
Yeah.
I've never heard of them, so it sounds like they're small.
Mm-hmm.
Well, there's that. We're the largest distributor of health, wealth, and life services.
Okay.
So you have size, and therefore, since we're the largest, we also have access to a lot more resources. I don't know if Marcus got a chance to show you Bamboo, which is our back office. If you're familiar with our project management, it's basically like our back office system. We can track everything, but it also has access to all your carriers. But the best thing is they have something that's called Quest. Quest is our training program. It's like online training modules that you can do on your own time, and there's like over 800 hours worth of training. So whatever you want to learn, you can learn there. But our winning factor here, you have Chris at Vecino Hart. You have people who've been in the business for over 10 years, who have, over those 10 years, have made over $14 million. So you're talking about on average a year, we're talking a little like $1.1, $1.2 million a year, if you average it out. So these are, again, super seasoned people. They know what they're doing. They're getting trained and coached by Patrick Bet-David themselves, which you've heard of Patrick Bet-David, yes. Yeah. So getting coached by himself and getting coaching by him, it's very important. But also, if you did it in a traditional sense, it's also very expensive. People, I don't know if you've ever looked at Patrick does the bulk conferences.
Okay.
And if you wanted a ticket for that, where you actually have like a close sit down in person, sit down with them, it's costing upwards of $10,000. And that's just to get into the door. So, like he's been getting that for the last 5 years.
So, what you learned today, man?
Hey, life insurance is something that you guys can leverage. You want to know what these Fortune 500 companies are doing? You want to know what the banks are doing with your money with these interest rates? Just take a look into life insurance. But I'm going to give you a task. I'm going to give you a task to do. Search up life insurance and tell me what's the best in the comments.
And yeah, bro, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all learned a lot. But I'm gonna catch you on the next time, man. Just catch you.